Hi guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to add testimonial feature to your app. The testimonial page allows you to share positive experiences of your potential customers through the app. Now let's get started. Enter your business name and click on next. Based on your business name, the app will show you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on view more categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on next. Now let's add the page. Click on view all here and search testimonials. Click on the page to add it. Here's your testimonials page. If you want, you can change it. From here you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline, icon, or image from our library, or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to content section. Here you can upload customer's image. In the name field, enter the name of the customer. Now enter his/her review in the comment field. Click on add more testimonials to add multiple clients' testimonials. From here you can delete the testimonial. Now let's move to page style and color scheme. From here you can change the page background. If you want, you can select a background image or solid color from our library or upload your own custom background image. If that's not enough, you can also upload different custom images for both portrait and landscape mode, or use the same for both modes. If you want, you can also change the page layout from here. Now let's move to Advanced Elements Customization section. From here you can change the page elements color, font style, font size, and indent. If you want, you can even hide border from here. Once you're done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.